In the vast savanna, there lived a strong tiger and a tall giraffe. They were both proud of their unique abilities. The tiger was swift, fierce, and a great hunter, while the giraffe was tall, graceful, and could reach the highest leaves in the trees. Tiger, proudly, I can run faster than anyone and catch my prey in seconds. I am the king of the savanna. Giraffe, smiling, you may be fast, but I have a different kind of strength. I can reach the highest branches and see over the tallest grass. They each admired their own abilities but didn't fully understand the power of the other's strengths. The giraffe can't reach food. One hot day, the giraffe was hungry but couldn't reach the juicy leaves at the top of a tall acacia tree. No matter how much she stretched her neck, they were just out of reach. Giraffe, frustrated. Oh no, I can't reach the food. What will I do now? The tiger, watching from a distance, saw the giraffe struggle. Tiger, thinking, I may be fast, but she has the height I don't. Maybe I can help. The tiger helps the giraffe narrator. The tiger approached the giraffe and said, let me help you. With his sharp claws, the tiger climbed the tree and shook the branches, causing the leaves to fall to the ground. Tiger, smiling. There, now you can eat. Giraffe, grateful. Thank you, tiger. You used your strength to help me in a way I couldn't have done on my own. The tiger needs help. Later that day, the tiger found himself in trouble. He had chased a deer into a thick patch of thorny bushes. His paws were scratched, and he couldn't get out. Tiger, struggling. Oh no, these thorns are too sharp. I can't get out. The giraffe, seeing the tiger in trouble, rushed over. With her long neck, she reached down and gently lifted the tiger out of the thorny patch. Giraffe, smiling. Moral of the story. The tiger and the giraffe learned that while they were both strong, they were even stronger when they worked together. They realized that everyone has something valuable to offer, and by helping each other, they could overcome any challenge. Remember, whether you're fast or tall, strong or small, helping each other makes the world a better place.